Good times.
The song's a good example of good on Instagram as a scoring, not great as a whole song. Yes? Like this is a great IG post song. But man, to hear it for 4 minutes, him talk about how everything's hallelujah because he's brushing his teeth. Brush my teeth, hallelujah. No other lyric you could have thrown in there.
Good times, hallelujah.
I think Bamboo probably is the best hallelujah song. Though there's that traditional hallelujah song that's really popular too. I don't know. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the show. Hallelujah. It's Mara's birthday, the 2nd of July, 2026. It's a funny thing. So last night, Mara messages us and says, hey, I'm going to be a little late to the radio because I stayed up late because we celebrated. And then Kay goes, congrats. No idea what she meant. And I was like, ano congrats, birthday niya. Ay, birthday, happy birthday.
And then, I was trying to figure out how to delete it. Sabi ko, kaya lang may reply ka na. And then you tag the message just like, booking.
No, but that's how kind of blindly supportive you are, right? Like, oh, we celebrated. And he's like, oh, congratulations. That's amazing. I'm so proud. Oh, birthday. Okay, sorry. Lex, good morning. What's up, man? How are you?
Good morning. Birthday ba talaga ni Mara?
Good morning.
Birthday ni Mara. That's right.
Hindi natin napag-usapan kahapon na wala sa joke, no?
Birthday na ni Mara.
Ganun tayo magkakaibigan?
We don't
Yeah.
have a schedule.
Look,
we don't have a secretary.
Let's just be clear. Mara is the one who does not, of all of us, does not want to give too much information.
Oh.
Do you guys really know what Mara's name is?
Trixie.
No. Do you think her parents' name is Trixie?
Patrixie?
Patrixie is exactly her name. You did know it. Okay, good. Congrats. Okay. No, but Mara's a little, sometimes she just doesn't share those things.
Oo.
Yeah. She only told me how old she was in Toronto when we met.
Oo.
So I know how old she is today.
Kaya nga yung OnlyFans niya, lihim din eh.
Oh,
That's right. It's under a different name. It's not onlyfans.com/Mara Aquino. It's something else. Welcome to the show. We are streaming discord.gg/Good Times Radio. It is Good Times here on Magic 89.9 all the way till 9 o'clock, or at least that's what we try to do. Alex K is here. Kay, you're going to have to leave early today, but you're dressed up in a kind of a sporty outfit. What's going on with you today?
rehearsals.
Oh, okay.
So it's earlier today. Yesterday it was after lunch, but today it's going to be early and I have to make my way to the theater at Solaire.
And I want to say good morning to Bam, who's awake already right now. He's also greeting Mara a happy birthday on our GC, which you guys don't have access to, which Alex wants to change as well. And is your husband out working out, or where is he? Is he asleep?
He's awake. He made me some coffee. He had a gig last night.
Ginawala lang kape, nag-British accent.
He maybe
Maybe some coffee.
British ba? May isa kasi akong word na mispronounce kahapon sa song. Napipikon ako.
Saan? Saan ka ba kumanta?
Sa Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Nang rehearsal?
Oo.
Rehearsal pala yung
Ginawa
Kay. Buko
akong
na tayo
slang. Oo nga, pero parang...
birthday ni Mara Kay.
Sige. Wala pa siya eh.
It should be here in about 20 minutes.
Ano ba yun? Kaya yung coffee umaayos.
I was gonna go to the gym today, and then I think I'm just gonna give up on going to the gym.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why. I just don't think it looks good on us short people. You know, I went to the gym the other day. I was looking at short guys. Myself, Lex, you, your husband. Yeah, we don't look good fit.
Ang tawag doon, kuto. Nagiging garapata tayo.
Oh, we don't look good fit.
Oo.
And I think we maybe in our minds have this idea that if we work out and get muscles and all of that stuff, it's going to look good on us. But it doesn't. It doesn't look good on us.
Hindi talaga.
You know,
Oo.
I'm
We
really
should
worried
quit.
about
Everybody
you.
quit.
Sometimes
Why?
I think about, how you need a better self-image, body image, age, ano nga ba, acceptance.
May,
It's all right, Mo. It looks good.
pero
It does not
dapat hindi
look good.
muscle mo. Hindi
Look,
talaga muscle
Alex,
dapat.
Wala ka pa ba?
Yeah,
abs?
we're just trying not to be fat. That's all. But Alex
Dapat
agreed
ganon.
with me. It does not look good on us.
Hindi talaga.
Siyempre, kung hindi mo kaya magka-abs, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, okay na to.
Hindi. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede kami maglaki ng katawan. May limit. Ang problema kasi sa pagpapalaki ng katawan, once na nagka-muscle ka, there's no turning back pagka nag-gain ka. Kasi gusto mo pa lumaki, pero may limit talaga sa maliliit.
Oo. And what
hindi
is that
pwede.
limit, Lex? What is the limit? Just as long as we can fit
dapat-
on a small size t-shirt.
Oo, pero wag kang magano talaga yung bodybuilder muscle. No sa maliit yun.
Yeah, even if it's not bodybuilder though. Even if you're just a little kind of, it still doesn't look as good. I think the
Parang
limit for
Sa'yo
us
mo,
is...
ikaw ang limit.
Thank you.
Ikaw ang limit, pare.
Hear that,
Seryoso.
Kay?
Tama
hear that?
yan.
Yeah, Kay, did you hear that?
Ikaw ang limit mo. Saka pag nakita mo si El, mga ganun na dapat. Other than that, wala na.
Yeah, but Yael doesn't look like he's a gym guy. He looks like a runner. See, we could do
Dapat
this.
ganon.
We could do
Dapat ganon.
sports. But I don't know. Maybe the Yael does go live in the gym. I don't know. But he just doesn't
always,
seem...
Yeah, he always.
He doesn't
lifts
look-
weights.
Yeah, but he doesn't
because-
look like the bouncer body. He looks like a runner.
Because he does Pilates. This is what I'm
Okay.
telling you guys. Pilates is the
Okay.
secret.
Okay. I mean, okay.
Never talaga
Let's-
mag-pilates. Okay.
Hindi.
Kahit
Wala
may
naman tayo
sponsor
magagawa
ako,
dyan.
okay. Never ako Nakita ko yung mga ginagawa sa Pilates, Kay.
Yeah.
Nakita ko yung
Kasi
ginagawa sa Pilates.
during wartime yan na-develop ni
Ah.
Joseph Pilates.
Sige, may tatanong ako sa'yo, okay. May nakita ka na bang
Joseph
romantic
Pilate?
scene? Romantic scene sa pelikulang rom-com na yung lalaki nagpipilates tapos nagkatiran sila ng babae. Walang eksena galon yung habang Diba? Wala.
They look like medieval torture devices. I'm sure there's a movie in there somewhere.
Are you saying the father of Pilates is Joseph Pilate? Is that what you said?
Yeah, hindi si Poncho.
Ah, okay.
Okay yun. Okay.
Pontius Pilate.
Okay.
Hey, it's a Showtime joke. You gotta throw it in there if you haven't already. Put it in the bank. That's a good one.
Sa'yo na yun. Pontius Pilates. Tingnan natin reaction doon.
So good.
Thanks, guys.
Kaya nga
But
nagugas siya ng
yeah,
kamay, di ba? Kakapilates siya lang eh. Washing my hand.
Hallelujah.
Can I admit, sorry, I'm washing my hands, hallelujah. Can I admit, I'm not, okay, this is going to sound disgusting. I'm not a big hand washer. Yeah.
Oh, and you work at the airport.
Yeah.
Arguably a very dirty place.
Yung iihi ako, pero tatae ako, I'll wash my hands.
Oh my gosh.
Pero yung iihi ako, I'll high five you right away after, okay?
Okay.
May Discord sabi, the hobbies of Isabel Daza, Solen, do Pilates, Alice Calia. Pero hindi nila pinagmamalaki. Hindi natin alam.
It's a hot guy thing to do.
Yung
We
paghugas
don't.
na kamay.
Yeah. I'm not
Paghugas na
a hand
kamay sa CR, pag may tao lang.
Yeah, it's all for visual.
Other than that, wala.
Yeah, like earlier, I'll brush my dog's teeth with my fingers and then French fries.
Yeah.
No problem.
Eh kasi lumaki ka naman sa Philippines. So okay ang ano mo.
Yeah, my immune system is rock solid.
Yeah.
May naniniwala ako ng kamay natin may sarili siyang may sarili siyang panglinis. Perfect ang katawan. Because of, hallelujah.
Self-cleaning.
Lang yan. Pagkatapos ko mag-CR, hallelujah. Kaya kaya ako nag-iisip ako sa mga tao, yung mga iba sa labas, pagkakalabas ko sa CR, uy Alex, shake hands. Sabi ko talaga, go. Yan na, warning ko na sa inyo, pag nakita nyo ako sa CR, sugal yan ha, sugal yan. Ang dami ko nagka-encounter na pagkatapos ko sa CR, Alex, nice seeing you here. Tapos kakamay, go.
Dami ko talaga
Go.
natututunan sa show natin.
Go, shake. Sige,
Ganyan pa.
oh.
If Alex bubuelo pa ng ganyan, you know.
Pag bumelo,
Boom, shake,
sabi ko
shake,
sa
shake
inyo.
the room.
ang hirap kasi mag-ano eh.
Pero ang lakas ko mag-judge, no? Ang lakas mo mag-judge. Ako, ganun din ako. But if I'm in the CR and may kasama ko isa, and iihi siya, pero hindi siya mag-wash,
Ay, patay
judging.
ka sa akin.
Oo,
Patay.
like, disgusting pig.
This guy.
This
Ano
guy.
to? Yeah.
Kasi Kay, pag ako nag-CR, gusto kong kagad lumabas kasi ayoko isipin umebs ako. Kaya
True.
yung patagal, lahat
May
ng
time
pampatagal,
limit.
gusto namin makalabas kagad. Oo. Galit na galit nga ako sa mahabang wiwi eh. Yung mahabang ihi, yung, what? Come on. Lalo na pag bilis, may mga kasama ako sa labas, mag-iisip na masama yun. Buga tayo. So, yung paghugas.
Yeah, is it like, so what is it more? Is it more we don't want to be judged for tumatae or jumadya in a
You could
restaurant?
get arrested for that.
I don't think, and then
No. Let's say you're at a friend's house. Tae, di ba? Hindi ka naman magaganyan sa...
Hindi. May
Sa
yayain ako sa ibang bahay.
Or baka parang tinitignan mo yung medicine cabinet nila. Di ba sa movie?
Hindi. Ayun, iba naman yun, Kay. Meron nga akong gusto ko nga malaman yung theory kung, alimbawa, pag umebs ka tapos plinash mo kagad, mas mawawala ba kagad yung amoy? O kasi di ba minsan nakakalimutan mo, naglilinger muna. Makakatulong ba yung mabilis na pag-flush? O mas wala nang effect, mas nalabas na yung amoy? Wala na yun.
Tumira na dun.
Ang ibig sabihin, pagka umebs ka pa, flush mo kagad?
Like, ongoing ka pa.
Oo, para hindi na masyadong yung...
Some people do that, no?
Parang ganun inata sikreto dun eh. Kaya nahiya kasi ako ba, alam kong pagka yung susunod, unless may mga air, pero hindi naman natatalo ng air freshener yung, alam mo
Hindi,
yung...
meron nga sila in-invento, di ba, yung tinatawag nating pupuri.
Puri.
Ito,
Yeah.
yan.
Ay,
Meron ako yan.
Why is it on
pupuri.
your desk?
Dinadrop.
Do you
Oh.
poo there?
Dinadrop yan. Pero ito mo, ang isa sa mga kaya hindi tayo nagugas minsan. Kasi may tiwala tayo sa sarili natin eh. We know it's clean. Ayun ang tingin ayun ang sa sarili ko.
It's because you're holding your penis, though. That's what everybody wants you to, like, please. It came, like, unless pwede ka mag-urinal na hindi mo hawakan mo yung penis mo. Nagaganyan ka. Then you don't have to wash your hands. But we are holding it, Lex.
Pero malinis
And we
naman
are
siya.
shaking it at the end.
Right
So
now.
even the shaking part is kind of disgusting. We should probably wash our hands. Yes, Kay?
Gosh.
Kay,
Thank you
yes?
for... Boom, shake.
Siguro sige, para maglagay natin ng quantity. Sa 10 ihi ko, mga 6 times na ako nagugas. May 4 akong pinapaano.
Okay, so
Naman,
60%,
shaker pa naman.
60% of the time you will wash your hands.
Yes.
Okay, that's not bad. That's pretty good. I think
I feel
that's
like-
probably average.
I feel like I'm a bigger handshaker than a besoer because in grade school, I used to have, in OB, we have to shake the hands of everybody. I mean, yung mga teachers, the principal, like, good morning, shake hands.
Babae wala kasi problema di ba? Wala naman kayong touch na ginagawa, no? O meron din. Ay, sa
Wala,
tissue. Sa tissue.
Mm.
Pero Mo, ikaw ba nagugas ka lang ng kanang kamay? Yung pinanghawak mo lang hinuhugasan mo?
Oh my gosh. Tamay mo na yung kaliwa, andun ka na rin lang.
Yeah, we're already there. So
Hindi ako minsan, gano'n lang
that's the
Tulo ng
ultimate of
gripo.
lazy.
Yung tulo ng gripo, daliri lang na pinanghawak ko, pinangganon ko. Tapos that's it.
Idamay mo na yung kaliwa. Andun ka na eh.
Okay, but look, you don't want to be accused of making poo-poo. So would you rather, because I'm trying to take myself as a host of a house. Like,
This is like
nandito ka sa bahay.
It was overthinking. I love this. This is overthinking.
Yeah. But these are the golden pearls of wisdom that we need when we go to other people's homes, right? I want you to announce to me na tatae ka. Ayoko
Okay, yeah.
na pupunta ka sa CR ko tapos hindi ka mag-a-announce biglang tatae ka. That, to me, I find that to be rude.
Oh,
Asa
I
sa
have
bahay mo, Mo?
Oo, ano yun, punta ka sa bahay ko. Sabihin mo sa akin.
Nako, Kuya Alex,
ako.
di mo ginawa.
Sige, sige, tayo.
Hindi automatic alam mo.
Ito po po para sa... Yeah, what? Sorry?
Hindi automatic alam mo. 3 araw ako dyan, di automatic.
Oh my gosh. But,
Di ko
eto
alam.
ka,
Yeah,
I
go
have
ahead.
something to share.
Sure.
According to like yung mga good luck, if you poo in a rich person's house, you supposedly take some of their good luck with you. Kalokohan.
I do enjoy pooping in a rich person's house over a poor person's house. There's no like bigger dislike than pooping in a person who does not have a nice home. That's tough. right? Yung tatay ka sa simpleng bahay, yung parang yung CR na walang, there's no wall, it's just a wall, but there's no, it's open on the top. You know, like one of those. I've had to do that a couple of times. That's not a pleasant place. Yeah. I saw this clip. I don't know if you guys seen this clip online. This is a whole lot of fun. Alvin, can we play this? Like, what do you do in situations like this? Okay, so here we go. Here, this is exactly what we're talking about. Tatay ka like guest in a house. Here we go. Stop looking at the best part.
Why? Ano yun? The commitment, no?
Bumalik. Eh, naku, nakakita ng reverse. Na-reverse eh. Hindi ko na kaya yun. Yung labas ng EBSA, point of no return yan, pre. Ikaw ko na tingnan yan mo.
Special effects.
It's like the dough, yung laruan.
Kuwang-kuwa yung kulay eh.
Galing.
Ice cream yan, di ba?
Yun yung madalas
Okay, so-
para sa stool sample eh. Woo!
Saan mo nakikita to? Kusa lang siya lumalabas sa, sa feed.
I think it was Mara who said something about, I'm going to poop. And then the moment she said that, boom, it showed up on my algorithm like crazy.
Galing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think I'm okay now.
Ano yung ginawa niya? Ni-reverse niya, tapos flinas siya lang, tapos inatras niya?
Yeah. Because I mean, you can only do that. Let's say you've got a 5-incher.
Puputol
When
yun
two-
dapat.
Well, no, if two of the 5 comes out, let's say you got a 6. 2 of the 6 come out, you can suck that back in.
Hindi ko
No.
Yeah.
kaya.
3, putol yan. 4, point of no return. Like, that's how it works.
Ako mga half-inch lang ang kaya kong mapigil.
Suck back in?
Tapos hindi, putol yun.
Yeah, but that's because you don't do my Momo Gate 99 routine, which gives me stronger internal, anal muscles. I can do 2 inches of the 6. I can suck it back in.
Lahat.
Yung organs mo magagalit. That's
Oo.
waste. Let it out.
Oh,
I know,
saka
but
pag
guess
nalabas na
that-
sa
guess
hangin, pag may oxygen na involved, no turning back.
I think to me, no turning back is 4 of 6. Once I hit the 4, well, 3 is kind of no turning back because kailangan iputol na yun. But yung 4 talaga, yeah.
Ganun
whatever.
kahiya. Sobrang
Oh, yeah.
nakakahiya. Couldn't you kick the door close? Because it's a giant banyo.
No, but see, if you just announce, and honestly, okay, joking aside, right? I know a lot of this stuff is kind of half, a lot of this is more for haha, but do announce. Do announce. If you do it, then there's no thread of opening the door. I know now not to use the restroom as well for at least 35, 45 minutes. It's I won't have to write a narrative on but nawala ka bigla, all of that stuff. It's okay. You could,
Simply announce it.
but I can't announce. I can't do it. I can't go to your house and halimbawa, okay, tatay ako, okay, ha? I can't do that. But I want you to do it to me. Gets back to that
Ay,
imaging
siguro.
problem you're saying.
Ako mo, titignan na kita, alam mo na yan. Mo, pa-CR ah.
Yeah, but you have to do the whole dramatics. You have to hold your stomach in circles. You have to do the.
Oo, gagawin ko.
You have
Pwede
to do
gawin
Just
yun.
all that.
signal. 1, 2.
Pero pag kumakain, baka magdalawang isip ako.
Eh,
Pag kumakain tayo sa mesa, pag tayo ko, di ba? Habang inihiwa mo yung butido,
Yeah.
na ganun yung kulay. Mo! Di ba? Mahirap magsalita eh. Baka mamaya may babisita eh. Ano, pwedeng ibulong?
Just go like this. 2.
Sige.
Would you do it with your wife?
Ang problema yung reply ni Mo eh. Mamaya, sumenyas na ako. Mo! Atay ka! Sira ka naman mo.
That's what I would do. That's what I do. What I would do. It is 6:57. We got to take a break. When we come back, I think Mara's going to be here any minute, so we can
Okay,
meet
I'll greet her and then I'll go.
Huh?
I have to
I thought you were
go.
going to go at 8 o'clock.
No, I have to leave at 8 for the theater.
Yeah.
I have to prepare.
You prepare on the show all the time. You sit there, I don't know. Oh, yeah. You do that all the time.
No, I have to prepare. Like, I have to review, save my voice.
Tayan mo.
Finish.
Yan ang code
Say
ni
that,
Kay.
though.
I have to
Tatay ka na
prepare.
I
Okay,
have to
prepare Kay.
Number 2.
Pwede ko papasok sa CR ba? May tatawag lang ako. Walang signal. Just you're like lying through it. Just be honest. We'll take a break. When we come back, we'll have more of the show. You're listening to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go way back after this.
Good times.
It's hour number 2 of the show at 7:03. Good Times here on Magic 89.9 and streaming on. I was gonna play this on accident. Discord.gg/Good Times Radio. Okay, I know you're leaving soon. You might as well remind everybody though. You got the big promo going on with your upcoming play, which is what is it? July 8th. Am I lying? Is it 8th? July 8th. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Sorry, I was vocalizing. Yes, please check out my
Popularizing?
podcast.
Oh, that's
Vocalizing.
Utot yun. That's AKA Utot. Popularizing.
Please do check out my podcast, Case Drama. Sunny season was shot in Baguio and LU, so we have some episodes there. And very, very soon, the factory will open. But right now, there's a family bundle promo. Buy 2, get 2 at 50 off. Go to Ticket World, and I'll see you guys when we open on July 8 at the Theater at Soler. It's day 2. This is like the Willy Wonka, ano ba tawag dito? Advent
Hey,
calendar.
on that poster, which one is you?
Hey, no?
I'm not there.
I know. Which
yun?
one is you?
Wala ako sa scene na yan because I don't enter the factory. I'm the mom in the house.
Oh, okay.
Ang sumama kay Charlie, yung lolo niya, ayan sa kaliwa. Si Joe. I was having a hard time nga with my line saying, Joe, are you alright, Joe? Kasi sabi ko, that's the biggest disrespect here pag, di ba, pag yung father-in-law mo tawagin mong first name. So, okay na. Tinanggap ko na. Nasa ibang lugar. Just call them back.
They don't Filipinize it a little bit? You don't say po.
Papa Joe!
Joe po! Walang ganyan.
Papa Joe. We did put in like little touches like a mano here. Yeah.
Ang
so
Joe,
they,
ang tawag sa sa mga Amerikano dahil dito.
oo nga eh. Kaya sabi
Yeah,
ko,
soldiers,
why do I keep
Joe.
forgetting my line? Like I can't seem to say it. Sabi ko, because I'm saying it to my father-in-law. Joe, are you all right, Joe?
You got this, girl.
I
You're our
got this.
Disney
Gotta
princess.
practice. Oh, thank you so much. So yeah, the doors will open. La la. Cute.
Hey, real quick, speaking of Disney princess, like, do the kids know who Mickey Mouse is already? Because nothing revolves around Mickey Mouse. I don't even know the Mickey Mouse storyline anymore. Disney to me are the princesses, right?
But he does the
What's all this Mickey
promos.
Mouse nonsense? Huh?
He does the mga promos like on TV.
Yeah, but
He's
do
in
we really
Disneyland.
know his storyline anymore? Isn't he just way too old? Like, nobody knows him. Kids don't know him.
Parang siyang siyang entry mo, ang Mickey Mouse, para sa mga bata, yung wala pang idea sa Disney. Pag nakita nila si Mickey, ewan ko may ano yun eh, may dating sa bata yung
Yeah.
mouse. Pagkatapos nun, pag ka na,
Elsa was
parang
Elsa.
gateway mo siya and then you evolve to another
It
I
almost
thought it
feels
was
like
the
it's
other
his
way
house.
around. I thought it was the other way around. Like the princesses are the gateway because that's the one the kids are really like involved. You know, your Elsas and your whatnots. And then you realize, oh, this whole thing is about this freaking mouse that we have no idea who he is.
Ang kasi, kailangan mapanood mo muna yung kwento ng princess para ma-appreciate mo siya. Yung Mickey Mouse, logo yun eh.
I think he's
Kaya walang background.
Disneyland.
Oo, parang ganun.
He's really Disneyland, him and Minnie. So when there's a show in the middle by the castle, it's hosted by Mickey. He's the bida. And then you'll take a photo with him sa gazebo and then he's in the restaurant. The princesses kasi are hard to come by.
Yeah,
In
I
the
know, but
castle.
they're the stars of the show, so that's the thing.
Yeah.
Mickey's a little bit maybe he's just a thing of the past. You know me, I don't like old stuff. Yeah. Kay, anything else?
Oh, if you want to sing, go to Rockstar KTV. We have new branches in SM Mall of Asia and MetLife Pasay. Yeah.
Sounds
Thank
good.
you.
What's up, DCP? What is it? No, what is it? No, CDP. The what's Calleja Dance Party.
Kalyeha Dance Party! Yan. Super Sam! Kita-kita tayo sa July 4, Sabado. Mukhang mapupuno na yan kasi konti na lang yung ticket. So, kasama kong comedy crew, Yuki, Israel, Marlon, and Franz. Kita-kita dyan sa Saturday. And ito, Comedy at Direct D, Sunday, nag-try kami. First show, 5:30. Second show, 8:30. Masarap ang pagkain dyan kay Direk Eric Matian sa Poblacion, Makati. Try natin sa Sunday. Maliit na lugar lang yan. We're just experimenting. So, siguro mga 30
Just
na tao
don't
lang.
shake Alex's hand.
Oh,
Yes, please shake my hands. Yan. Kita-kits dyan ha, Comedy at Direct D, Sunday. Dalawang
super
show
ganda.
yan. Ha?
Ang ganda-ganda dyan kasi ang dami, may mga comics sa wall. Sobrang art. Ang ano talaga
Tatlong
siya.
floors.
And then masarap yung food. And by the way, our show with Derek Eric Mati, Call My Manager, will be out soon on HBO. Uy!
Sa yung lugar ng ng poblasyon, para siyang set ng pelikula ni Direk Eric Mati. 3 floors. Yung una kapihan, pangalawa kainan, pangatlo yung parang iyaw-hiyaw. So please puntahan nyo, masaya siya. Masayang venue.
I brought this up the other day because I remember Eric. I was at one of his acting workshops, by the way. Thank you. When he was doing a lot of the sexy stuff. Are the waitresses, are they sexy? You know, like the one, you know how in other countries, like here in the US, I think they're called restaurants where the girls walk around with
Sa show ko na yan, padala ako kasi may malapit na bar dyan eh. May malapit na bar dyan. Papuntahin ko yung mga...
On the way.
Papashow up ako.
Thank you.
Anyway, bago pa magtanong si Kay, kung ano yung show up. Okay, next. Good Times Australia.
Sino
August
tatawagin sa show up?
ang show up, basta mamaya papaliwanag ko sa'yo, okay? Good Times Australia, August 29 Melbourne, August 30 Sydney, Israel, Greece, Dawit, and Marlon. Kita-kits dyan. Tapos, susunod dyan ng Happy for All sa Singapore, Saturday, September 19, Eventbrite po ang bilihan ng ticket. Kita-kits dyan. Tapos, Happy for All, the birthday show. October 2, Music Museum, October 3, Insular Life, Tanghalang Haribon, October 7, Newport World Resorts, October 9 and 10, Maybank Theater BGC. Ticketworld.com.ph. Tapos magkita-kita tayo sa aking podcast, Punch na with Alex Quilens, Relban Obra, and of course, GTWM. Pag nanood kayo sa show ko, pwede kayo manalo ng Sharp Appliances pag birth month nyo ay July. See you at the birthday, speaking of birthday, the birthday girl.
Yeah, Mara. Happy birthday, Mara.
Happy birthday!
Good
Congrats!
Congrats, Mara, for having your birthday today.
I actually just saw the WhatsApp.
I was gonna delete it in case you're matampuhin. I was like, is he gonna be tampo?
Congrats, Mara, for your birthday.
Kinuwento ko din kay Adrian just now. Sabi ni Karel, congrats.
Kasi baka, did I miss an announcement of some sort?
It's funny. Thank you.
Mara, ano bang...
Kay's got
ano
the
mo?
hilarity today, and now she's leaving us early, which is crazy. But anyway, sorry, Lex, you were saying?
Anong first name mo talaga, Mara? For the, first name lang.
Mara.
Mara ka talaga? Real name mo yun?
Yeah, Mara Patricia.
Kay said you're
Patrick.
Patrixie.
Mali. Shucks. Getting it all wrong today.
Promo, Mara. Birthday. Happy birthday, Mara.
Wait, Kay, I mean, you needed to vocalize for your upcoming rehearsal. Why don't you sing Mara happy birthday,
birthday.
but in the, but
With my straw?
use congratulations. Use congratulations instead of happy birthday. So here we go.
Congratulations, ha?
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Mara Patrixie, congratulations. You were born July 6. 2. Oh my God, why did it save on 2? Oh, because I'm saving it on my calendar and it went to 6. Wala,
Okay na.
walang
Okay
tumugma. all day, repeat every year.
Thank you. You know, I have
Born July 2.
Right.
Sounds better, would you like to? Anyway,
Yeah.
but 6 because of the
Thank
tricks.
you.
Yes, Mara, you were saying.
There's a trick also to remember people's birthday, and I just recently started doing it. You know, when you say people's number and then you put, when you say people's number, you put their dash and then their birthday. So every time you're texting them, their birthday also shows up beside their name.
I
Yun lang.
would
It's
not
a trick.
interpret that as their birthday.
Oo. Ako, unang nakilala ko sila. Or sinave ko yung number na yun.
That would not be mine either.
Oh, talaga mo?
Pag nakita ng wife ko yan, ayun, wag na. Mahirap yan. Baka sabihin, anniversary pa namin.
Hey, would you immediately go that that's their birthday? Because I mean, it's a fine idea, Mara. It's not a bad idea. It's just would everybody go to that assumption that, let's say it says Karil and then boom, the date. Would you go immediately? Okay, that must be her birthday.
Tapos no year pa yan, ha? Walang year yan. Malamang, Mara, no? Walang year yan, no? Just the month and the day, no?
It's up to you, but I didn't put the year. But
I don't think
your
I would.
entire contact list would have it.
Alam mo, birthday mo, sinave ko, Mara, 0702. Ganon?
Yeah, I put the actual. Yeah, you can do that.
July 2, July 2, ganon?
Yeah,
Hindi ganon. Hindi nga birthday ang dating doon.
Yeah.
but then your entire contact list would have it.
Okay.
It just confused me.
Okay, well, it's just a trick.
But is it insulting to do what Kay just did, guys? Or we've passed that already, right? And I don't mean to criticize Kay at any means here, but when people only remember because they put an alert on their calendar, that doesn't insult us anymore. I think it used to, right? In the first maybe couple of years of either smartphone technology or all these things, it would have been like, huh? But now it's no one's memorizing phone numbers, no one's memorizing birth dates, none of that stuff. And an alert on your calendar is perfectly fine.
Viber. Sa Viber, nagsasabi, it's the birthday of ano. Tapos sa social media, magde-remind siya sa social media. Pero Mara, para
so
pag namatay. Pag namatay.
Baka death
Paano yun?
anniversary.
Birthday pa rin?
What?
Birth anniversry.
Ano pag
Yeah.
namatay yung nakasave?
Would you change it?
No, but then you would remember it's their birthday. Actually,
Why would you text them? Sorry, go.
What you were saying that it's not offensive. My dad didn't even. You know what? I think my dad forgot because the first thing he sent me was a meme, was a joke. Late at night, the wife's phone makes a sound. The husband grabs it, checks the screen, and gets annoyed. He wakes her up. Husband irritated. Who is this texting you beautiful? The wife confused looks at the phone. Wife even more annoyed. Hey, put on your glasses. That's not beautiful. It's battery full. And I'm like, what? What did he send me this?
We know where you get your weirdness. So your dad has no idea it's your birthday.
And then he sends me happy birthday an hour later.
Oh, it's the time difference.
Kasi pumasok yung Viber
It's a time
notification.
difference. So I saw my dad's name and I thought, oh, he's greeting me happy birthday. And then when I looked at it, huh?
Okay. So we need to kind of recalibrate our 2026. Whose birthdays should we really memorize? Okay, so spouse, yes, of course, correct. Children, yes, of
Yes.
course. Girlfriend, boyfriend, yes, of course.
Yes.
Siblings,
Yes.
Siyam eh. Siyam yung kapatid ko eh.
yeah.
Pero sa wala ko alam ko birthday nila.
You know all 9.
I think so. The months. The months. Oh, siyam ang kapatid ko.
So
Tatlo kami
siblings,
October.
yes or no? In 2026, remember we're just modernizing the. I'm not saying don't
Yes.
greet them, don't blah blah blah, but
Yes.
siblings, yes.
Lalo na pag konti kayo, dalawa lang kayo, nakalimutan ko pa yung birthday ng kambal pa
Mara,
kayo.
do you know
Kambal pa
your
kayo.
sister's birthday?
Oh,
Yeah.
you're twins. Ha? Nakalimutan ko birthday ko? Twins tayo.
Siblings, yes.
Yes.
Cousins, no.
Ano?
Pinsan bo.
Hindi na.
Dog. Siyempre.
Yes, of
Oh.
course. That's like your baby.
Best friend. Memorizing. Mara, I mean, we're pretty close to best friend level. Kay's congratulating you.
But
Ito nga
that's
si-
okay. I laughed. I laughed out loud. It was so funny.
Si Mo nga yung birthday niya, naririto ako dahil sa time differential eh. October 19 or 18 eh. Kasi nga nag-iisip ko siyempre, kailan ko ba ito babatiin si Mo? Kaya naalala ko tuloy 18. Pero 19 ka ba, Mo?
19.
October
Oh, tama.
19.
Oo.
Mohan
October.
Gomatay. Right
Oh.
there.
So, do you have a cake, an apple pie maybe? What do you have for your birthday?
Oh, last night we had a vegan chocolate cake. Because I can't have eggs. I can't have eggs or milk. I can't have,
Sarili mo, Mara!
I can't have eggs or milk. It has to be vegan. Otherwise, because sometimes people send over cake and I can't have it. So the only way I can have it if it has no eggs or milk.
Why not a pie?
Yeah, I love pie, but nobody gives pie.
Apple pie nga.
I love pie, but nobody gives it. Nobody gives it.
Ilan siguro yung cake na hindi mauubos sa rep? Yung vegan cake. You want vegan cake? No.
Yeah, last year, I think I got sent over like 3 or 4 because I couldn't eat any of them. But
Pag
this
vegan
year,
cake, nasa isip mo kasi pag vegan, cake, parang yung, ano ba, anong flavor? Chocolate?
chocolate last night.
Oo, tamo. Ano ba, chocolate? Imagine mo yung chocolate, tas yung talong mo coated ng chocolate. Parang ganun. Di ba?
Di hell yeah.
Sorry. Mara,
Hindi
promote ka na.
Ay, oo nga. Mara didn't get a chance. Everybody, it's Mara's birthday today. What do you got, Mara?
First of all, everybody download Honor of Kings so you guys can play with me and go to gamewithmara.com for all the gamers out there. You guys can buy your top up there for like Honor of Kings, Roblox, Valorant, all types of games. It's there, gamewithmara.com. Yay!
Yeah. Yung Cafe 76.
Oh yeah, Cafe 76. You guys get 10% off if you say purple and green hearts at Cafe 76 at Marcelo Makati. Thanks for
Oh.
the greeting, everybody.
Yes. Oy, birthday ni kailangan dagdagan niyo yung bayad sa OnlyFans. Dapat may...
That's what I was waiting for.
I don't have OnlyFans. Baka may maniwala.
Gawin mo kaya sa Cafe 76. OnlyFans with Mara. 100% discount.
Whoa!
Mara, did you
Wala
text your
mo.
dad? Did you text your dad and say thank you for the happy birthday?
Ay, hindi ko pa pangala pala tinetext. Hindi pala. I said, thanks, father. Yes, I did.
Wow, you call him father.
Yeah,
Thanks,
I
Joe.
did.
Father? Ano
Thanks,
ka?
Joe.
Game of Thrones?
Okay lang sana when you say father.
I think so. In the beginning, he laughed and I just kept doing it. And then it
Ah.
became father.
Ako, insulto sa akin ng mga anak ko yan. Pag
I
ganyan.
was gonna say, so
Like
culturally,
sarcastic.
yeah, culturally
Oh.
for us, sa Filipino family,
Oo.
can you say father? You can say tay,
Oh,
papa, dad,
I've been
daddy,
doing it.
all of that. Can you? Why would father be offensive, Lex?
Kasi parang ang bagong sermon, di ba ang pare nagsisermon, tapos ang tawag mo sa pare, father. So pag pinagalitan mo yung
Ah.
anak mo, pag sinabing, okay, father,
Or parang Star Wars.
parang, yes, father, hindi yun, may dating na yan, sarcastic yun. Parang siya sabi na, okay, supreme leader.
Wow, he went from father to Kim Jong Un.
But I say that even to my mom. Hi, mother.
Parang okay pa yung mother. Unfair talaga
Why
tayo.
do you say it that way? Hey, mother.
that's how I greet her.
Maybe
sometimes.
easier pag pag may audio visual. Pero pag message, parang, ha? May nagawa ba akong mali? Baka ganun.
It sounds different. But hey, look, I mean, they're in Canada and they've been there a long time, and I think these are one of the challenges many families as we really start to become more biracial in our children and all that? Because yeah, you got the craze, right? Whether it's the FM or even us as Filipino men dating outside, is whose culture is going to take priority when it comes to raising your biracial children, right? Do you want them to be a little bit more Filipino in the way they carry themselves, or do you like who gets the say in it? I know every family is going to be different. Every situation is going to be different. But generally speaking, is it a 50-50 thing, or should children kind of take closer to mom's culture or dad's culture? Because traditionally, you carry dad's name. Like, how would you guys go about it if you were going to have a non-Filipino co-parent?
50-50?
Yeah. Culturally? Like how you raise them? What if different religions, different, I mean, I don't know. How would you do it? I saw this video yesterday of this girl who is, I mean, clearly not Filipino, but seems like she's talking about having a Filipino baby and some of the toxic things that she doesn't want to incorporate that are found in Filipino culture. Let's go play this video of it. Here we go.
Things
With
I
audio,
will not be allowing my son to participate in. Toxic Filipino things I will not be allowing my son to participate in. Now, I understand this is not all Filipinos, okay? This is just based off what I have experienced and witnessed firsthand. But I understand not everyone is like this. Number one, we will have no skin whitening products in the household at all. I grew up believing it, and I think it's awful. If we move back to the Philippines, this might have to change a little bit just because of the availability of things is sometimes really hard. But even then, this last trip, I brought my own soap. Yeah.
Wow.
There will be no, you're getting fat, you're getting skinny, no weight comments. I will not tolerate this to any of my children or future children. I think it's very unhealthy. And I think also the people who make these comments, they're almost never in a healthy state. There will be no nose pinching. Because, first of all, it's so sad. Second of all, like, you think of how your face looks, and it's literally your ancestors surviving for, like, thousands and thousands of years, and this is what comes out of it. So why would I want to alter that? No way. And I don't even know if it works. I don't know. It feels off to me. I just don't think we should do it ever. Last one is no talk of, oh, you're getting dark, or equivalating lighter skin to being more attractive. No, we're not doing that at all. And in fact, it makes no sense because the way your skin is just shows you, what countries you were from. Clearly, I'm meant to be in the snow, clearly. So it doesn't determine attractiveness at all. And it really frustrates me. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of things about Filipino culture I will be introducing our son to. Thanks for watching.
Okay,
Not
so
bad.
but three of the four things are not going to happen anyway because she is already light complected. I mean, they're not going to be doing whitening soaps. They're likely not going to be pinching noses because clearly, and the whole "you're getting dark" thing it doesn't even kind of. It's really more you're getting red. What her children would do, and I don't even know is it because she is the Caucasian that the child would probably look more Caucasian than more Filipino. I don't know how all of that science stuff works, but a lot of the things that she does not want to happen almost can't happen. Yes? No?
Oh,
Just the fat thing. Just the fat thing is the only thing. Oh, you're getting fat.
But she means it
so
both ways. Diba parang she doesn't like compliments also kung maputi. Parang may sinabi siyang ganun.
Yeah, but what is I don't know. I don't want to say what is so wrong because I get where it's wrong, but it's so us. Wouldn't we miss some of these kind of parts of our culture that are somewhat
No.
offensive, slightly kind of character defining of who we are?
No, I would not miss that because it's criticism. I would not.
It's
miss
criticism,
that
but
part
in
of it.
a kind of jokingly manner. Like, so are you the gagong tito na, oy, di pa yan tuli. Oh, halika nga dito. Just in front of your friends. You don't do that. And you kind of embarrass your younger, ano to, nieces and nephews and whatnot?
Hindi ako ganun.
Hindi ka ganun. No, I mean, neither am I, but it's part of who we are, right? The hazing
Oh my God.
of it all.
No. Tsaka yung pangunahing bati na ang taba mo na, uy, pumayat ka. Kasi both ways, even if it's supposed to be, she's going for, why don't you just go for healthy? They're not healthy.
And sometimes it's the first thing that they say. They don't even say,
Yeah.
how are you?
Yeah, yun nga yung
That's their
pangunahing
greet.
bati.
Yun ba yun?
Pagbati. Like, it's like a like, hi, just saw you. Pero before you even say hi, you say, oh, pumayat ka.
Hindi pero sa
Okay,
English,
look,
di ba? Hello, you look good.
Doesn't translate.
Yeah,
then.
but it's I don't know.
does.
Okay,
It's the
look,
same.
I get it's wrong. I get it's negative, and maybe I come from a place where I don't have a lot of family members, so I don't have to kind of deal with it, and maybe because I'm a boy and they tease us about other things, not weight and all that, because that's kind of targeted sometimes almost to females. So I don't want to come off kind of, but it's that level of embarrassment, that playground joking around that you have to go through at Christmas parties and birthdays and all of that. Parang sometimes it's so cultural that I'm okay with it. Instead of individually saying who's rude, we are all in some form experiencing the same exact thing, even though I'm not related to anybody in your family and you're not related to anybody in mine, that it is who we are.
No,
Kaya ako explain ko lang mo wala akong problema sa ganon sa pamilyang Pilipino. Wala, never ako nagka-problem. Ang problema ko lang ako as a person, kasi syempre komedyante ako. Kaya pag nasa may mga gathering kami, nagpapahinga ako sa pagiging komedyante. Nagiging quiet na lang ako, giving way to my mga kapatid, yung mga titos na sila magpatawa. So madalas ko pa rin marinig yan, pero I have no problem with that. Sa akin kasi
I don't have a problem with it
wala,
either. I
tama.
think if you're going into the house and you fully know you're about to, it's almost like you're running through, what's that dance line where there's like people, and then you have to go in the middle and dance? It almost feels that way, but with insults. Like, okay, dadaan ako dito. Here we go. And there's a fun to it.
Hindi ko na
And you
alam kung
walk through,
saan
you're gonna get it.
Hindi ko na alam
fun.
kung saan siya na-expose sa pamilya. Kung ba't ganun yung kanya bang paggawa ng video because, di ba, personal experience niya raw yun. So, hindi ko alam yung mapapangasawa niya kasi parang sinasabi niya na hindi niya gusto ngayon yung nakikita niya. So, ibig sabihin, sa circle ng mapapangasawa niya yun. Doon pa lang magkakaproblema niya sa mga in-laws niya.
Yeah.
Ayun ang basa ko doon. Kasi nabasa niya yon, na-encounter niya yon sa family na mapapangasawa niya. At doon siya magkakaroon ng problema.
Zia says, I haven't visited my tita for almost a year already because I gained 5 kilos. And I'm not going to waste my energy in that conversation. Fight back. Just fight back. Give it to him back. Princess Mo and Alex are both Gen Xers. I think we're older than that. But this is more millennials and Gen Zs who are it's funny because 2 days ago, 3 days ago, last week, you hate me for my new kind of mindset. And then now, now all of a sudden I'm too old. First of all, I get crap for liking AI by old people. I know those are our old listeners, our old ass people listeners. But in this case, I guess I'm old back again to my correct age. Uro-chan says, that's right. Oh, I know. So Jay says, I think we should let go of the toxic traits that defines our culture. Just because we grew up with it doesn't mean the next generation should go through it. That's, I think, where Alex and I are is it's not that toxic. It's, it's a, Lex, I think you changed the microphones. It's not that toxic, even though it has a lot of negativity. The messaging is negative and all of that. To me, it's a water balloon fight, if you guys know what it is. You're going to run right through it and they're going to hit you from all sides and you kind of have fun with it and then you give it back.
But that's the thing, you can't give it back because they're your elders.
I think you give a little bit back.
Like ikaw, bakit ang pangit mo? Parang di mo na pwedeng sabihin. Di ba? Ba't di mo pwedeng sabihin yun? Bakit ang, di ba?
Ang
No,
mahirap-
Lex, you're the comedian. I think there's a way to fight back without it being so confrontational in a comedic manner. Maybe not everybody's that skilled, but I think it's possible.
the
Hindi.
skill.
Pero ako, yung naranasan sa pamilya, I think pinaprepare tayo sa ma-encounter natin sa mundo eh. Kaya tayo may ganun sa pamilya. Para pagdating mo sa labas ng mundo, prepared ka na. Ay, nabasa ko dun eh.
That's a really good point, Lex. Okay, so let's ask that as a side question.
Oh.
If we remove all toxicity in every aspect, from school to work to family to all of it, how can you survive when the real world comes after you? And it does.
Diba?
If we can control the amount of toxicity in our environments, right, in our work,
In your
our
small
school,
circle.
and in our home, in our little small circles, who the hell is gonna save you when the world comes after you? Because the world comes after you.
Para
But it's
matibay
like
ka paglabas mo.
But that's
Yeah,
your
but it's
safe
also-
space kasi.
Yeah, it's
Um,
supposed to be exactly.
That's
And
where
it's
you
like,
kind of develop your,
Nope.
ano ba?
Ang mga kuya mo, hindi ka safe space sa amin.
Look at the difference between Mara's story yesterday from a generation that Mara may, it's your birthday today, but maybe you were the last tier of having to go through this kind of quote unquote hazing. So what happened? Girl tries to mess with you. What did you say? Oh no, suntok ka na lang tayo. Easy. Wasn't, my feelings are, it was very clear. Hey, where are you? Bakit? Suntukan. Let's go. That's what that does.
Ako ganun.
That's what that does. Not, oh my God, this girl is this. Nope. It's, hey, where are you? Let's go. Let's go.
parang
Let's go.
iba naman yun. You can't say that to, it's just kasi like, having that friend who's in your group who's always, let's say, negative, or like you just don't like being around this person because walang manners or the comment that she makes. You don't like being around that person. Same thing with people who say
You can
those things.
choose that, have them. You know that when you go through that ring of fire that is your family on Christmas, if you can prospectively go, oh my God, here we go. I'm going to get my ass kicked. Eto na, let's do it. And then you just go in. It doesn't hurt that much.
Yeah,
I
but it's
guess
annoying.
from the it's not siguro kunwari, like if you have enough confidence in yourself and good self body image, whatever. But ang mahirap kasi may mga tao talagang may eating disorders.
Tsaka,
So yun yung medyo
Always from the beginning of time.
Yeah, so I don't know lang paano i-deal yun or pag may health weight issues. Siyempre hindi na nila iisipin yung difference na, oh, this person. So kaya baka the change just has to be broader. Kasi yung eating disorder, hirap talaga sila.
Like, hey, that's an eating disorder. Again, this
And
almost kind of comes
some of
back to
them-
my...
Some of
Diba?
them develop it talaga dyan.
or even yung, oy, di ka pa nag-aasawa, or wala ka pang anak, di ka pa nag-aasawa. Oh, it's like, wait, whoa, hold on,
let's
wait
go.
a minute. That's like, you don't say those things.
We got another video. Here's another girl who's she's much more popular. I forget. I can't remember her name, but yeah, she grew up in Davao, I think. Alvin, can we throw her? She brings up this Filipino compliments. How this is a good one because this is very kind of comedic. But this is how do Filipino compliments actually sound like in English? So very similar to what Mara was just bringing up. Let's play.
Wow, you're so fat now. You must be eating a lot of great food. You're so much prettier now. Your skin used to be messed up, but now it's finally pretty. I used to think your sister was prettier than you, but now you've finally grown into your beautiful self. Hi, fatty. It's been a while since I've seen you. Whoa, your face is covered in pimples. You must be in love. You have fat rolls. I have them too. If you slim down your face, you would be so much prettier. You should try it. You used to look so pretty when you were skinny.
This one's funny though.
Yeah, oh my God. I was told that if my nose was matangos, I'd get more projects. I should get my nose.
Wow.
Yeah. And I was new, so I was kind of more feisty back then. I'm like, what? I don't tell you to put braces on. Like I said something like that. I was like, what? That's weird.
And that's how you retaliate.
Exactly.
Yeah, but you can't do that to your
Yeah,
relatives.
salamat, bunge. Thank you.
It's as if you're the one who was so offensive first. It's like, sinabi ko lang naman, grabe naman siya. Actually, that's what I was told after. Grabe naman, sinabi ko lang, grabe ka. Ako grabe? Ako yung grabe?
Wait, birthday mo. Relax. Sorry, Lex, you're saying.
Congrats.
Hindi, ano lang.
Congratulations. dude.
May mga necessary evil sa mundo eh. Na kailangan mong daanan as sort of gym. Kasi ganito eh. Paano pag halimbawa sa opisina mo naranasan yan, tapos sa boss mo, and you love your job, tapos sinabi ng boss mo, uy, medyo first time mo narinig yun kasi ang perfect ng family mo eh. Yung family mo, pag nasandaan, hi, hello,
Father.
yes, how's your, ano? And that's the first time. So, parang sa tingin ko yung pamilya ang training ground eh. Kasi you can still answer na, di ba? Para pagdating mo sa labas, hindi mo, alam mo na kung paano pag-deal. Pag offensive, may mga bagay ka rin naman na, sige, okay na yan. Kasi pag first time mo, hindi ka nasanay dun sa baka mamaya mag-overreact ka because it's your first time. Parang may mga, ang sinasabi ko lang, may mga necessary lang. Parang may mga
I've
pinapalagpasin ako.
said this before.
Like a reality check.
Oo.
I've said this before, Lex. Look, I kind of grew up in show business, kinda, right? I started very young, before I was an adult, not a child person, but as a kind of early teen, mid-teen. Okay, so I grew up kind of in this business, and I could tell you exactly the people you cannot joke around with that, let's call it toxicity jokes, versus the ones you can. And the reasons why you can't, Mara, is because they were so royalty as children because of who their parents were and all of that stuff, that the first PI that I threw at one of them, he almost malfunctioned.
Parang overly sheltered.
He did not know how to compute it because they didn't do that. I mean, his katulongs, his yayas in uniform, his driver, he was, he had a staff, and they all just, treated him in without any toxic kind of environment whatsoever. And I can go to Alex right now and he can do the same thing to me and go, "Uy, look at the chan mo ah." And we're gonna like hug each other and laugh it out and high five. You say that to that guy, he is going to absolutely melt down. Cannot deal with it. And I think that's what Alex is saying. It's almost like a gym where it's almost like a battleground where you're not really getting, but you're not supposed to get really hurt by, so you can tolerate when you actually are getting hurt by it from people who really mean it or ruthless about it or they're there to hurt you. I don't know. I just
Sa
thought
akin
I'd
sa
throw
pamilya
that in.
namin, identifier yun, Mare. Alimbawa, pagkatapos na isang get together, mag-uusap-usap na yung isang mong anak pikon pala, no. Alam namin handle yan. Pag next time di ka na kinakausap ng tito mo, ibig sabihin nun, alam niya na na-identify ka niya na ito yung anak mong pikon, ito yung anak mong cool. Doon nagkakaroon ng identifier ko yung mga ugali eh. Biruin mo, tapos pag isa, ay napikon yung anak mo, sige, sorry, hindi natin gagawin yan. Medyo pikon yung isang anak ni Nakikita yung ugali doon. Pero walang perfect talaga. Actually nga, pinag-uusapan na lang natin ngayon yan eh. Pero sa mga gathering, although hindi, ngayon lang nagiging issue yan, may ganun talagang madadaanan ka na galing din naman siya sa magandang intention, pero ngayon medyo sensitive na. Kaya pag sinasabihan nga ako dati, buti may itsura-itsura ka na ngayon ah. Ang dati ang pangit mo eh. Sinasabihan ako. Paano ako magre-react doon? Pogi ka na ngayon. Diba? Ibalikan mo siya na dati. May ganun lang. Pero ako hinahanda ako. Hindi na naman sa mga pamilya, kahit sa mga classmate dati, nakakarinig ako ng ganyan eh. Elementary dati, maraming ganyan tuksuhan. Di ba?
Yeah, but that's playground. Those are children. They're immature. Whatever. I think what the people have a problem with it. These are your relatives. They're your titas. They're your titos. They're your whoever, and they're involved, and they're going to point out some of the things that you would otherwise not want to point out. But what if you are fat? What if you gain 5 kilos? What if you need somebody to tell you, "Uy, tumaba ka compared to last year?"
Oo nga, ano ba maganda doon? hear it from someone else.
Oda-chan says, hey, but being spoiled is not equal to being abused. Sometimes your relatives are just shitty. Dude, this is a once a year thing, 2 times a year, 3 times a year period. If you get it daily, fine. That's a completely different story.
Oo.
Daily, that's abuse. Christmas parties, gatherings, fiesta, 2, 3, 4 times a year, 4 out of the 365.
No,
Who cares?
but sometimes they don't stop. Like, oh, hindi ka pa nag-aasawa. Oh, tumatanda ka na. Sayang naman, yung genes mo, hindi ka magkakaanak. Like, oh,
Sabihin mo, ikaw nga tito, malapit ka nang mamatay eh.
That's the thing, you
Tapos,
can't say those things.
This is where you
Pwede.
practice, by the way, this is where you practice your comebacks.
Ito yung comebacks mo.
Oh, this is where you test them
Oo.
out.
And then you have
Pag
to
sinabi,
smile
alam mo,
and be
pumapangit ka.
polite.
Alam mo, papangit ka, tita, papangit pa lang ako, ikaw ang tagal mo na ha. How
But
does
you
it
can't.
feel?
Pag ganon, ikaw yung
That's the
kontrabida.
point.
Ikaw yung may kasalanan.
No. Look,
Ngayon.
they didn't start this. They went through it themselves. They are not
Ngayon,
first
titigil na
generation
yun.
insulters. They know what's up. They went through it themselves. That's how culture works. Everybody knows this is something somewhat done in good faith.
Oo. Ano yun? Ganun, pwedeng gantihan yun pag ganun.
Parang bawal gumante.
Pwede. Ayun nga ang ano dun eh. Inopen mo yung biruan na rin. Oh, ba't ngayon wala ka pang girlfriend? Diba? Tito, kasi may priorities ako sa buhay. Hindi katulad mo, puro inom ka lang. Tapos, tatahimik yan.
But then
Oh,
ikaw
diba?
yung bastos. But then ikaw yung bastos.
No.
Pabiro din. Oo nga, Tito eh. Kasi may priorities sa buhay eh. Ikaw, Tito, kumusta pag inom mo araw-araw? You think of a comeback? Yun.
Kasi parang fair playground siya.
Oo, inopen niya eh. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng respect sa dulo. Di ba? But
Okay,
ikaw,
Lex,
Tito,
here's one. And we gotta go because Kay's gotta get out here. Here's one, Lex. So we're all sitting together.
Aha.
And then Mel here on the chat room says this. I asked the tita for saying, I called out, a tita for saying, bakit wala pa ba akong anak, patanda na daw ako. Told her, tita, you don't get to say that. You don't know if a couple has fertility problems like us. She shut up. Okay, so Mel walks away. What do we do as the relatives? Pikon? Do we say, hala, Mara, di mo alam na hindi naman siya fertility issues? What will we say?
ako sabihin ko, yan, kasi dahan-dahan
Pikon.
sa pagsasalita. Hindi ko sisihin yung kasi may sinabi naman siya. Sasabihin
Mas
ko.
pikon yung relative na nakatanggap na
Oo.
yung tita. Mas pikon siya na, ito naman, sinabi ko lang naman eh. Grabe naman siya.
Ako sasabihin ko, dahan-dahan kayo sa pagsasalita susunod ha.
Para i-close
Oo.
yung
Hindi,
discussion.
may learnings doon. Sumagot eh. Sumagot yung lalaki. Sumagot siya na, meron po kayong problema sa di alam na
Pero
ngayon.
hindi siya sumagot as a joke. So, it changed
Oo.
the dynamic.
Next time, hindi ka na magbibiro. And now, that solves your problem. Ngayon, yung tita na yun, pag umulit pa yun talaga problema na sa tita mo yun. Pero
Yeah.
sigurado matututo na yun. Basta
Pero
sumagot ka,
minsan-
alam na nila.
My grandma, I guess it also depends who says it. Because my grandma says it to me all the time. And she'd forget
Really?
she asked it 5 minutes ago. But I love my grandma so much that I just let it go. I don't think of it negatively because it's my grandma. If it came from others, then it's more. My grandma, when I went back home, Trixie, kailan ka mag-aasawa? Tapos she asked it again 5 minutes later. Tapos she asked it again and she asked it again. But then it's just cute.
Min
when
mo,
it's
may
happening.
sawa na ako, may Alzheimer's ka lang. Di mo
Oh no.
Wala. 3 na yung naging asawa ko. May Alzheimer's ka lang.
Pag siya yung nagsabi, we just laugh it. We just laugh
Pero
it off.
totoo ako bilang tito level na ako, no? Sa pagbibiro ko, na-identify ko yung mga pamangking ko. Base sa biro ko, ito yung medyo sensitive. Ito okay ito.
Okay, and do
ito.
you rank them? Do you rank them in favorites? Yung
Oo, pagkatapos
yung
nun,
pikon, last place.
Hindi kita masyado bibiruin, pikong ka eh. Okay ka. Itong isa ito, okay ito. Mga ganon, pang ano lang yun eh, pang tester lang yun ng mga karakteristik ng mga tao sa paligid mo eh. Di ba? Mga ganon lang naman yan sa pagkukwentuhan. Pagkatapos nun, ma-identify ka na, tamo, iiwasan ka na.
Yeah. Okay.
Nabiruin na ganon. Oo.
We got to take a break. We will be back right after this. Kay, we'll see you tomorrow. Yes? No?
It's Friday
No.
tomorrow.
Oh, it's Friday tomorrow. It's Thursday today? Oh my God. It's Friday.
Thursday.
Sweet. Okay. We'll see you next week.
Next week. See you guys.
Good luck. Good luck with the
Thank
rehearsal.
you.
Bye, Kay.
See you.
Bye.
Okay. It is
Thanks for singing.
7:47.
Congratulations, Patrixie.
We'll see you guys after this break. Don't go away.
Good times.
It's hour number 3 of the show at getting close to 8 a.m. here. Thursday morning, the 2nd of July, which is also Mara's birthday. So happy birthday again, Mara.
Thank you.
Mara also had her first French lesson earlier. Well, last night. Right? Last night. With
Yes.
the girlfriend. How did that go?
Oh, it was good. She's so nice. Her voice is perfect for
She's
teaching.
super calm. Yeah, she's
It's
so
so
calm.
perfect. Oh my gosh.
Yan na. Yan na yan.
It reminds me of like my teacher back when I was like in grade 3. Like it's so very calming and
So
it's
calm.
very, very encouraging.
Yan na
Sesa,
yan.
sesa.
Yan na yan. Magiging
And I
close
got
na
a,
yan.
I got a new notebook for it. So it's a do or do not. There is no try. I'm ready.
Fail or no fail. Fail or succeed. There is no trying.
So that's my new phrase. Sesa. Sesa.
Lex is completely against this thing where my girlfriend is teaching you how to speak French.
Hindi lang yan.
It bothered me the whole night, Lex, honestly.
No,
It kept
hindi
me
lang
up
yan.
because
In
I'm
general
worried you're
yan,
right.
no?
I'm worried you're right.
Hindi, in general lang yan. In general lang yan mo. Halimbawa si Mara nagturo nga yung girlfriend mo tapos hindi pala nagustuhan ni Mara yung pagtuturo. Just in case, pag mo tayo opposite, you're putting yourself sa isang sitwasyon na si Mara, kailangan niya magsabi ng katulad na kayo na, she's so okay, pero deep inside.
No, hindi ako plastic.
Hindi nga.
Don't
Ang
do
ibig
business with
sabihin-
friends. Don't do business with friends is what you're saying.
Dapat. Kasi just imagine kung palpak yung now si Mara ngayon, naka-commit siya na, girlfriend to ni Mo baka, di ba magano na, and I'm not saying this case, ang kaya ako umiiwas dyan, dealing with is sometimes, nagsisimula ng yan. At isa pang point, pag naging close naman yan, pag super duper naging close naman sila, yari ka dyan Mo.
Ay, hindi ako nangingialam. Hindi ako nangingialam.
Sabi mo lang ngayon yan. Sabi mo lang ngayon yan.
Hindi, natuto na ako so many times. Hindi ako
Natuto. So,
nangingialam.
ginawa dati mo. Ay, nako. Lalo tayong kakabahan. Natuto.
Yeah! Hindi. Oo. Like, hindi ko gagawin. Hindi na. Dati kasi meron akong friend na basta parang nag-cheat ganon. Tapos sinabi ko, tapos ako pa
see?
yung na-kick out sa friendship.
So hindi na ako pwede mag-cheat. Hindi na ako pwede.
Yeah, but hindi. So hindi na kahit anong mangyayari, natuto na ako. I can keep secrets.
O, so
Hindi
pwede
na-
mag-cheat si Mo.
Okay, I have a
Ini-encourage mo
question.
mag-cheat si Mo. Hindi mo lang sasabihin.
Wala, hindi ko.
No.
ano
Flip it
ako.
around. Flip it around. Let's say, nagkwento
Oh.
siya sa'yo that she was cheating on me. Would you tell me?
Hindi na ako makaingi-alam.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. See? Ang friendship, bigla na lang naging equal kayo Mo. That's what I'm talking about. That's what, ako makikialam ako, Mara. Si Mo nga una kong kaibigan That's what huli.
Yeah, pero pag away mag-asawa, away mag-jowa, in the end, sila yung magbabate, ikaw yung out.
Hayaan mo sila magbate.
Oh
Basta
yeah.
mahalaga, masabi mo kay Mo.
Mara, we give advice on good times. The podcast. This is not your actions are not your advice.
She would not tell me if she's cheating anyway. But it's one of those.
Kunyari nga
But it's one of those. If she vents out, I'm not gonna tell Mo. I'm not gonna tell. I'm good at keeping secrets. I'm good
sige.
at what was said. I will keep. It doesn't go past me. I've learned.
Eto.
I've learned.
Ito, sasabihin. Ito. Ako yung girlfriend ni Mo. Mara,
Okay.
Mara, sa tingin ko, nawawalan na ako ng feelings kay Mo. Hindi nag-cheat.
Ako.
Wala na akong feelings kay Mo. Hindi ko lang masabi sa kanya Ito yung mga ugali niyang ayaw ko O, ano gagawin mo?
Okay, so that is not my business to be the messenger and
But
say,
I already told you, what are you going to
Yeah.
do with that info?
then I will tell her to tell him.
No. I know. Ako sasabihin ko, pare, yung girlfriend mo, ayaw na raw sa'yo.
I can't.
Immediately. Mo, ingat ka dyan.
Immediately.
Oo. Habang kaya kausap ako, nagchat-chat na ako kay mo, pre, may kausap ko yung girlfriend mo, mukhang ayaw ka na nito. Tigilan mo, pare, humanda ka na dito.
Hindi ako magiging
Dalawang
dahilan
lesson na lang
sa
naman ako.
away.
Mo, dalawang lesson na lang naman ako mo eh. Dalawang lesson na lang ako, pwede ko nang i-forfeit to. Pero pare, wala nang gusto sa itong shota mo. Ingat ka na dito. Ay, ganun yun.
No,
That's what I would appreciate.
Yeah, but I would advise her to tell you. I'm not gonna
Nope.
be the cause of an away.
Nope.
I would tell her, I would advise her, you should tell him. You should
Tamo mo?
say how you
Tamo na?
feel.
Tamo sana yung loyalty ng
Now I know.
tropa mo
Now I
na
know.
birthday pa niya na.
I know what kind of friends we have. Okay, that's right. It's good. I'm glad I forgot your birthday. That's fine.
Diyan na ipapasok na.
You forget, you
Ano?
never knew.
Pag nalaman ni Mo na naglihim ka sa kanya, ito sasabihin sa inyo mo, alam mo Mara, di ko lang masabi sa'yo pero tumataba ka.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yun. Ganyan na yan.
Kung ako mataba, ano yung chan mo?
Okay, ayan. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, now you can
you
retaliate. Diba?
Now you're on our side.
Diba?
But what do you think? What's the early feel? Like, remove the whole you're learning French and all that stuff. Now that you've actually spent an hour with her, what do you think? Do you think that we got a chance?
Yeah, because she's so nice.
What the hell does that mean?
She's
Oh, Mo, sabi ni Maga noon, baka Mara to. Baka raw makumbis mo Mara si Bibs na mag-only pants.
Susikat yan doon. Susikat yan doon. So
She's so pretty though. She's so pretty. That's the first thing I said.
Ayan,
Oh my God, you're so pretty. She's
Ay,
pretty.
Mara. Si Mara, sabi ko sa'yo, mali ka dyan eh. Dami-dami mga...
What? Mo actually, parang ngayon may utang ako kay Mo because I needed something and he provided me a need.
Oh, pero hindi mo pa rin sasabihin kay Mo. Ganun na nga, o may utang na loob ka na. Hindi mo pa rin sasabihin kay Mo.
What do I do without him?
No, I would give an advice to her to be truthful.
Tapos si Mo, hindi mo sasabihin ng ma-alerto man lang.
But that is their business.
That is your business.
This is my life, not my business.
I know my position. I know my position in their life. They are the most important people in their life. Di ako mangingialam. I can only suggest and give advice, but I cannot do things for them.
This was supposed to be about your learning French. You know, her no longer liking me, Alex. Is she not my type?
Yeah, is she your type? Of course.
Yeah, what do you think?
Look at
Do
her
you think-
face.
do you think- Okay. All right.
And she seems very 'cause she's calm, she's patient, and she's understanding. Like I feel like even if you make a mistake, that's okay, sasa. Or ano ba? Paano ba sabihin it's okay?
Amo, di ka natututo. ang purpose mo lang, makakilala ka si Bibs eh. Pero,
Very good.
ano mga natuto naman French?
Okay, ano ba? Vous allez bien?
Oh.
Tout va bien?
Ayan, 2 weeks yan. 2 weeks yan natutunan mo. 2 ganyan lang.
This is first meeting. They met for the first time.
First meeting pa lang. First meeting yun yung ka-close sa iPhone.
Wala pa. Di nga kami nagka-convo eh. Kasi, we were just learning.
Yeah, and I think sorry, I know that for the radio, this is kind of a bit more personal thing that's going on, so I apologize. But yeah, I mean, I did tell her, look, hey, Mara's really driven to learn as fast as she can. So she was like, okay, I won't talk about things that are not related to, like, just casual things. I'm like, no, I mean, Mara's pretty casual. She's pretty casual. Trust me, you'd probably have to remind her, hey, we got to learn because Mara can really be a casual, friendly, conversationalist. But yeah, no, I'm glad.
Oh, I was good yesterday. I wasn't getting distracted.
Yeah,
Kasi
she said
nga, do or do not, there is no try. She was laughing here and there when I was saying stuff. Yeah. She's so soft.
Isa pa yan. Kahit hindi ka, alam niyang hindi ka matututo, magiging nice siya sa'yo.
Hindi, I'm a fast learner.
Nagsasabi na yun kay
Ah.
Mona, I think Mara is so, I don't think she's gonna learn. Pressure pa ngayon si Mo. Ay, nako Mo.
Yeah, she said your pronunciation was fantastic. I told her, I mean, there is some history there. Obviously, you are raised in Canada. There's a exposure to French, whether you guys are trying your best to learn it or not. The exposure is there, the announcements, the signs, you'll hear it, right? Television, all that stuff. And then, of course, you learn it in school. But she said, wow, she's really, really good.
Oh,
for the
cool.
first time.
Because a lot of it I forgot. A lot of it, because it's been like 25 years or something. A lot of it I forgot already. So sometimes like I would be like, oh, how do you say this? And I'm a little bit embarrassed. But then she was so encouraging. Sesa. That's my new favorite word.
Now you're learning all of this stuff, Mara, because again, I don't know if you did talk about it a little bit. You are going to France.
Yes, I'm working. I'm going to be working in Paris for about 10 days.
Daming pinupuntahan itong babaeng to.
Thank you, universe. Thank you, honor of kings. Yes.
Pero wala ka pang asawa.
Oo, di ba? Oo. Ngayon, hindi ka pa nag-aasawa. Puro ka karir.
Yeah.
Video game.
Video game ka na. Oo, di ba? Masaya
Yeah.
ka ba dyan? Masaya ka ba dyan sa buhay mo? Bata ka?
Oo. Masaya ako sa buhay ko.
Tandang-tanda
May
ko
future
nung
ba?
bata ka pa.
Future
Nasa
pang
na
video games
Nasa na yung boyfriend mo si Ernesto? Okay yun Kaysa sa boyfriend mo ngayon. Magkanong pa yun, maabot pa sa ganyan. Magandang pamilya yun Oh, kaibigan ng tsuhin mo yun, tapos nilispit-spitan mo. Sino ba yung Adrian na yan?
Sabi ni Betty, OnlyFans na OnlyFans. Puro
My-
OnlyFans ka na lang.
My relatives met Adrian yesterday, actually. It was my grandma's sister's, she passed away at 98. So we went to Batangas. We drove 102 kilometers there, 102 kilometers back. So we saw our relatives yesterday.
Di ba okay naman mga relatives mo?
Yesterday, because I was only there for an hour, so I was kind of worried actually. Like I hope they don't talk to him and say, "Kailan kayo magpapakasal?" But none of that. So that was good. I was like, "Oh, thank goodness."
I had a question when it comes to being in professional world and all of that. I mean, obviously you got a lot of new projects and all that. And I don't know. Do you have any tattoos, Mara? I don't remember if you have a bunch of tattoos.
I
You
do.
right?
I have a Hamsa tattoo on my arm because I'm all about I feel like all the symbolism of protection I'm gonna put on my body. So I put a Hamsa tattoo there. I have a moon to represent my best friend, and then I have one on my bikini line.
Wait, let's see that one. Hold on, let's see that one.
Pa-OnlyFans na yun
Yeah, you can
I don't have OnlyFans. Baka may
You can't say that
maniwala,
without
Alex.
showing it. The bikini line, meaning like on the edge or in the middle.
Kung saan yung where the underwear will on the hip area. So it's very,
Wait,
very hidden.
sa bandang side or so like
Kaya-
Sa
Diagonal.
garter ng panty?
Yeah, diagonal pababa. Exactly. Yeah.
left
Left.
part of the vagina? On the
no,
left
above,
side.
above.
Oh.
Yeah, above.
What
Above
is
the vagina?
It's the southern. No.
Mabobo ka. Mabobo ka. Iniiwasan yung vagina.
Susumbungin ako sa girlfriend.
Yung pag ginawang directional Below the vagina? No. O sa ba? Pag si Mara talaga tira dito, combo talaga to.
Oh.
Yung symbolism nun sa yung tattoo mo dun sa
Oh yeah, where's the protection in the vagina tattoo?
Oh, it was supposed to be kasi at that time, I just broke up with my boyfriend. So it was a feather. It was a sign for freedom.
There's nothing freedom yung
No, it was not there. It was in the garter line.
Anong tato?
Feather. What did you say?
Feather!
What did you say?
Alam ko, phantom na gano'n. Feather!
Feather for freedom.
Feather nino? Feather lang?
It's a bunch of it's a feather. Like,
Feather.
Curly ba to? Curly? Kulot ba yung feather na yan?
Oh, balahibo yun, pusa.
oh, you're so tito.
This is exactly what he was saying.
O, di ba? Hindi na sasagot mo na ngayon ng ayos.
So what I wanted to ask now, okay, again, we were recalibrating earlier the 20 to 26 version of, say, a question like this. Which tattoos
Yung feather kasi, kaya nakalagay sa malapit, feather.
Oh my god.
Go. Go mo. You were saying, my friend.
Okay. Which tattoos and piercings even are now professionally acceptable?
Ayaw nga, no?
Yeah, because it has changed, hasn't it? Like you can get into gaming. Now gaming is probably way casual compared to, let's say, I don't know, banking or whatever.
Hindi,
But
pero sa amin, when we because it's a Chinese company, ano siya, you have to tattoo for professional tournaments. Kailangan i-cover siya. No, sorry, you have to tattoo. You have to cover the tattoo.
so that's kind of old
Broadcast.
school then, right? That's why I want to ask, all of you who are on your way to work or any of that stuff, has whether it's dress code policy changed, being presentable, what is more acceptable when it comes to tattoos and piercings? Can you now have a full arm sleeve and go to the office and it's not a big deal?
Hindi, ano mo
Can you
lang,
have a
earrings,
nose? Can you have a
earrings.
nose ring? Yeah. Can you have an earring, a nose ring, a lip? Can you have one of those things like this? What's professionally acceptable in 2026? Go, Lex.
And alam ko yung earrings, may tinatanggap na eh.
Kung lalaki.
Yung sa lalaki, Ewan ko sa iba kung pinapatanggal. May mga boss ako dati, may nakikita ko may stud na ganun. Ewan ko kung meron na.
So guys can have earrings in a professional setting these days, and that's fine.
Ewan ko sa mga current
Yes.
yan. Wala na ako sa opisina. Mong pwede na yun, no?
Yes.
I thought it was like one. I know over here, you can have one visible piercing, and that's not the ears, pero one lang. So if you want to put one on your nose, you can only have one. Eyebrow, lip, one lang. And I don't know if that's professionally presentable these days, or maybe times have changed. I'm like, yeah, no, that's fine. You can have a neck tattoo and still be professional.
Oh.
Yes.
Or do you have to cover that?
Wait, which parang yes, pero what
say,
kind?
say you have a neck tattoo that reaches up to like the underneath your ear. Do you think corporate the corporate world will make you cover a neck tattoo?
Lagi ka naka-turtleneck.
I know, it's weird, right?
Di ba? Hindi ko alam sa mga... Dapat may sumagot dito na nagtatrabaho ngayon eh. Di ba?
Mikey
It's
says
parang-
corporate modernized these days. May office mates ako nakachinelas lang. That's not the topic, Mikey. Jesus. Just-
Ito, kay Melissa. Ito,
Chinelas.
medyo ano to. Ito si Melissa, alam naman natin si Melissa is PWD, no? Ngayon, I'm in the government law firm. Tapos pinakita niya yung tattoo niya na may Hindi ba yan dahil takot ang may dahil PWD ka, Melissa, kaya pinapabayaan ka na lang to do that? Or may nakita ka bang katrabaho mo, Melissa, na may mga tattoo rin na inaccept? I'm just,
I think we're seeing politicians, because they're younger, have more. Di ba si Bate Duterte has a neck tattoo?
Basta.
Lex?
Basta.
Sorry, we're talking about Bate. Di ba si Bate, he's got neck tattoos all over, right, Lex?
Meron, no? Meron.
Yeah, so your leaders now are kind of tattooed. I don't know if Sarah's got a tattoo or anything, but maybe again a newer generation as they start taking over, they start leading because they are, inked. Maybe again, it's that's why the Middle Easts of the world are capable of working in a government office because some of the leaders are there.
Ito mo, may tanong ako. Ito, may pari ba tayo nakitang may tattoo?
That's a good question.
Kaparian
Pastor
ba?
for sure. Pastor for sure. Okay, but your priest.
Meron ba kayo? Yung priest talaga, Catholic priest na may nakita ba kayo na alimbawa gusto magpare, may tattoo na, isa ba yun sa mga hindi ka na pwede magpare or pag pari ka, hindi ka pwede magpatattoo. Hindi ko alam Ngayon ko lang naisip yung...
I would say it's the other way around. Maybe he got a tattoo at a younger age, got into the seminary, and it's fine. I'm going to say it's fine. Just depends on what it is, how aggressive it is. So what do you think though, Mara? Okay, let's create our own...
Etits yung tattoo mo dito.
Devil.
Paano kung natuto ka talaga? Gusto mo talaga
Or si
magsilbi sa
Jesus is
Panginoon?
on the cross pero nakapoint sa'yo.
Di ba?
May ganun sa may nakita ko online na it's a girl tas nagpatato dito ng yung sinabi ni Alex. Dito, bakit mo gagawin yun?
Talaga?
Yeah, dito.
Saan nakaturo yung head?
Nakaganyan.
Sa
dito.
bibig?
Yeah, di ba? Why would you do
Saan
that?
nakapwesto, Mara? Saan nakapwesto?
Papuntang face, papuntang mouth, ganun.
Ayan,
That's
ganyan
not
yung-
true.
Yes! Yes!
AI or you saw it in
No,
person?
hindi to online. This was a while ago. I think she's like a gang member or something. It was, nakaganan siya. Tapos puno siya has face tattoos.
Yan yung pictures.
Oh, parang ganyan. Parang ganyan. Pero it's a girl.
I'd rather it be on a girl. That's a lot of skin. Okay, so let's create our own professional setting. What would be acceptable if you were the owner of your business?
Anything. You're the owner,
Okay. Yeah, I know. You're the owner, Mara. Your business. What is your acceptable level of piercings,
akala ko.
piercings and tattoos?
Akala ko you meant, if
No,
you're the
but-
owner, can you have a
No, that's what I
tattoo?
meant. Let's say Cafe 76. I know it's your boyfriend's, but let's say, he's going to go, Mara, what's the policy on tattoos and piercings? I want you to dictate it.
Okay. So for me, as long as there's no tattoo on the face, because you still need to you still need to be presentable, pleasing, hindi scary sa face.
So kung mag-a-apply si Tina sa cheeks, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede yun.
No, not the face. Anywhere else, neck, you could have like a full body tat, but not sa face.
Okay. Piercings.
At saka pag sa face, maybe like hairline, pwede. Pero just, piercings, as long as hindi fully covered the face. Like not fully covered, but not like super exaggerated. But everything is okay. Tongue piercing, eyebrow, nose, lip, that's fine.
What about the big ones on the ears? The big ones that will create that very huge circle.
Oh, that's so
Where
fine with me. That's totally fine with me. That takes a while to do, So
yeah, it
fine
takes a while.
with
It
me.
takes a lot of long. Yeah,
Tunnel.
that stupidity runs a long
No!
time.
Oh my gosh, no. Okay lang yun sa akin. Okay lang.
Pangit.
Totally fine.
Okay. All right, Lex, you're the owner of your company. What's your tattoo and piercing threshold?
May resto ko pero yun nga, pareho din kay Mara. Ang na-associate lang kasi na-associate kasi sa gang mga dati pa naman yun eh. Hindi na ngayon, mas may nga ako sa may mga nagtato eh, baka mamaya, ibig sabihin na sinaktan nila yung sarili nila, hindi sila masasaktan. Di ba yung cook mo? Sa talsik, hindi siya pwede umaray sa talsik ng mantika. Di ba? Nagpatato na siya eh. Hindi na magreklamo. Huwag siya pagsabi, alay ko, bakit po? Sir, napasok ko ng may tattoo ka eh. Pero hindi, sa waiter kasi, di ko lang alam yung tolerance ng mga customer.
Yeah.
Pero sa akin, walang problema.
Yeah, I think kapag may tattoo ka, dapat pleasing, inviting yung smile. Pero iba yung kapag puro tattoo ka tapos mukha kang galit, I will
Yun
not
ganun
hire
ang
you.
problema eh. Doon ang
I will not
problema.
hire you. But if you're full of tats, but you're smiling, because at the end of the day, you cannot intimidate the customers and they cannot.
Dapat.
Yeah. So, okay
I
lang.
would feel like at a restaurant as well, the piercings are probably the more problematic one than the tattoos because people wonder about hygiene. I mean, whether it's misconceptions or not, I think they're just worried if there's stuff on your face, it might fall on the food.
Okay lang yan. As long as like it's not so low, like hanging low, which nobody does. Wala naman may ganun. It's okay. Totally.
Okay, Chacha Maki says, that Jungkook amount of piercings.
What's Jungkook amount of piercing?
Jungkook of BTS. He's got piercings on his face. He's got a lip one. He's got, obviously his ears are pierced. I don't know if he's got one in his eye or what, or his nose or whatever. But
It's just,
I don't know.
It's just on his lip.
Is it just on
yung
his lip?
mo, patulong ko lang yung sa tenga mo, yung malaking ganon.
Oh.
Bothered ako dun eh. Kasi nasa
Natalo?
Me too.
nasa isip ko,
Yeah.
parang ini-stretch na lagi. Yung pakiramdam, alam kong hindi na, mawawala ng ano yun, no?
I think
Pakiramdam
it's
na, no?
cool.
Yung malaki, pero parang ang dating sa akin, parang lagi nakaganon yung, nakaganon lagi. Parang ganon. Kaya maita ulo mo, alam mo yun?
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It almost has like a self-mutilation vibe to it.
Oo,
Mara.
non-stop.
That's so.
Katakot.
It's not that
lang.
bad. It's not that bad.
I've never met anybody with it who's made great life decisions.
Huh? What do you mean? Di ba in mga tribes ganun din?
Yeah, but that's tribes. Like only people who should walk around society without a shirt on, they should be tribal. Only them. Anybody else, those are bad decisions.
Ito si Chupapi. Ako bothered sa dreadlocks, parang madungis. Tatanggap ko din
What?
Kasi di ba, siguro na-associate na mahirap paliguan yung buhok na naka-dreadlocks. Tapos si Bob Marley pa yun.
I think I might be there.
You better be a very clean person.
Si Chupapi yun Mara, hindi ako
I think it's because it's just like the lack of shampoo. So because of that, but this is a really good point because Lex, you have a restaurant.
Oh.
Now, if you got the dreadlocks, correct me if I'm wrong because I've never done it.
Oh my god!
But you can't shampoo that like regularly, right?
Oh, parang ganun.
You can just wash it, but you can't really like soap it and shampoo
Ang hirap
it.
kasi gawin ulit nun eh.
Yeah, and then there's a lot of it, and you got
Oh.
food. We're not hiring this person, yes?
What?
May ganun kasing email. Ang problema ko kasi hindi sa akin, kundi sa magiging reaction ng customer. Yun naman yun eh. Pag nareklamo ka, subukan kita yung heart, tapos nareklamo ka, o kaya hindi pupunta, ang mga reason, may mga sa survey, I don't like your restaurant kasi, may mga, magkakaroon tayo ng problema dyan kasi you're putting me on the spot. Kaya medyo dun sa dreadlocks, medyo may mga ganyang image talaga na dapat baguhin.
Get them to cover it up. You wash it about like once a week.
Oh!
Hindi
Some
ko alam
people-
may kilala ko hindi
some
once a week
people
eh.
wash-
In our
some
humidity? In our humidity,
Some
once a week?
people wash their hair
Oh.
just once a week.
Man.
May mga kasama akong comedian naka-dreadlocks eh. Si CS De La Peña. Tanungin ko nga kung kano siya kadalas mag-ano.
Once a
Kasi tingin ko hindi once a week, mas matindi pa eh.
Yung
And
iba
then,
twice.
There's
sorry,
the dry.
once in 2 weeks.
There's also the dry shampoo, right? That everyone's, no, there's a dry shampoo you just spray. That's not the same thing, man.
I don't like dry shampoo. It
I want
actually-
water.
Same thing.
I want
Yeah.
water.
I want lather, water, just all that oil just dripping down when you wash.
Subukan mo magpa-car wash na in-spray lang yung car. Sir, okay na yan.
Dry shampoo.
In-spray yan siya. Kaya nga wala akong tiwala sa dry clean eh.
We're so
Dumaan ka sa car
old.
wash.
We're so
Sir,
old.
meron kami yung dry shampoo sa car wash. Shh! Walang banlaw? Okay na yan, sir.
Bagong technology to.
Okay, meron sa car wash yung sinaspray lang tapos wina-wipe. They do that at Shang. Di ba sinaspray tapos wina-wipe?
Parang
Scam.
nag-tissue na. Umebs ka, nag-tissue ka lang.
Scam.
Dreadlocks is fine. It's fine.
No, man. No. I'm out. Again, this is our business. We do whatever the hell we want. It's my business. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, I like dreadlocks. You're hired.
Dreadlocks. Food? You're not hired.
Medyo.
Tattoo on your
Kailangan
face, you're not
hairnet
hired.
dun eh.
If I were in like big business and this was kind of a managerial position and you had the tunnel earrings, that's a bad decision. You're going to make bad decisions. You're not hired.
Oh, ito naman pala, may
Grabe
naiba.
naman.
Si Rice Toppings, I had dreads for 5 years. I shampoo it every day, apply tea tree
Every other.
oils and beeswax to maintain it. Takes about 50 minutes to dry it. That's why I wash my hair at night. It's pretty expensive to keep it super clean and neat, but it's worth it. Hanggang ngayon ba may dreadlock? Kasi
I
I had
dreadlocks.
dread. Ngayon wala na siguro. Nahirapan ka rin eh. Ako
The
nga maghugas lang ng
maintenance.
mukha eh. Hirap ako eh. Di ba pag inaanto ka na? Di ba? Bukas na lang. Di ba?
Oh my God, that's so bad.
Lex, you don't have a daughter, but if you had a daughter and she brought home a boyfriend with dreadlocks, this does not work. This is
Hell yeah! Eddie, Tito Mode. Ano? Pinatulan mo yan.
Oh my God. That's what
Ang
my
dami kasi
uncle...
association eh. Ang dami kasi ang Pinoy talaga pag
Oo,
na-associate
ang daming
dreadlocks.
association.
Ano kagad?
Drugs.
So, ano kagad?
Chonke.
Chonke. Tapos ano kakanta kagad ng Bob Marley, di ba?
I love
Ano
Bob
kagad,
Marley.
di ba? Alalala.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yeah.
Pero ganun din yung tito ko. Oh, yan.
Oh, baby, hey.
Oh my God, this is my song.
Nice to know you.
Yan. Your future son-in-law. Go. Lex.
Saka pag naipag-usap ako sa naka-dreadlocks, bumabagal din yung salita ko. So, kasi si CS nga, meron nga kaming dalawang naka-dreadlocks na komedyante, si CS at si Franz. Pagkausap ko sila, ano rin ako? Oh, so, kumusta naman? Ano, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa set?
Okay, vibes natin. You even changed the wording.
Tapos kahit wala naman ako pinapasa para gusto kong pasahan. O, so naman.
On the left. Pass the Gucci on the left hand
Cellphone
side.
mo.
Pero kukuha ka ng dreadlocks na cook, ang galing siguro gumawa ng lumpiang Shanghai.
Grabe.
Pati ba lasa ito lumpiang Shanghai?
My slip.
Ang bilis magbalot ng lumpiang Shanghai, ano? Hired!
Oh, jeez.
Acceptable for me. You are hired.
Dreadlocks, restaurant, no, again. But the piercing, the ear piercing, the big one, I don't care where, no, you're not getting hired.
Oh my God.
Lip piercing, not hiring. Nose, I don't want to hire you. You better be amazing on a nose pierce. The one that has the thing though. Yung
sa
Ayun,
bowl.
sa gitna,
Yung
medyo kakaiba
sa
sila
gitna.
lang.
Oh, yeah.
Yung dito, medyo ano pa yun eh, okay pa yun eh. Pero
Yeah,
nasa gitna,
that one fine maybe, or just the
think-
pure, just the stud is fine. But any circles?
Ako, it would depend on the placement is okay. It just depends on how it looks.
Nipple ring,
Relative.
hired.
Lex, can you do a girlfriend with the
Oh
nipple?
my God.
De. Hindi ko.
Lex, can you do a girl with a tattoo above her vagina?
Pwede.
So nipple ring,
May
you
tanong
can.
ako, Mara, para ma-complete lang namin yung visual, no? So yung tattoo mo, di ba ito yung panty na garter?
Oh my
Nagaganon na niya.
gosh.
Nagaganon niya nga. Ito na, ganon na itsura, ganon. Ito yung tattoo. Ayun ba yung description mo sa left side? O
It's
sa
on the
pants. Hindi,
it's
pants.
on the hip,
pants,
on the hip,
pantalon.
on the hip.
Easy lang. Birthday
I
mo. Birthday mo.
I got a tattoo on my hip.
Nagalit na si Mara. In the hip. Dito.
Don't joke those things on me. On the hip.
Wag na raw. Happy birthday, Mara.
Birthday pa naman yan. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, Mara, can you do a guy with a nipple tattoo, nipple piercing?
I'm okay with it.
God damn, really? You're okay with all this?
Boyfriend?
Yeah. Yeah, why not? I'm okay with it. Pero pag let's say mag-hire, yun nga sinasabi ko, it depends on how the actual piercing looks. I mean, the ring, right? It can't be like so big that it's distracting. I would just get them to change the actual earring or like yung device, but I'm okay.
Kasi may
with the
sumisingit sa
placement.
butas eh.
Yeah.
Yun ako nag-iisip yung butas. Kasi itong, di ba, pag mga earrings na ganyan, di ba may ganyan dyan, pag matagal mo di ginamit, may lumalabas pang di mo
Basta
nalinis.
malinis. Basta malinis. Same thing with dreads. Kasi may pangit na dreads mukhang tas may magandang dreads. So it depends.
Mara, is that a photo of your tattoo right there?
Kind of like that.
Lower though, a little.
Yeah.
I'm assuming because that's not really hip. That's appendix.
Yeah.
That's-
On the iliac spine. There. Along the iliac spine.
Okay ako dyan eh. Hindi to talaga sa leeg ang medyo parang
Yeah.
you pushing your your luck talaga. Lalo na pagka bigla ka nagbagong buhay. Di ba sa leeg may problema na pag dito?
Again, life decisions. And we are talking about a company we own that we work for. We're working hard in, and we don't want to lose money and all that stuff. Neck tattoo, not hired.
It depends on like the pleasantness of the person. If the person has a nice smile, magaling sa customer.
Hindi Mara, ito sa parents. Pag sinabing may tattoo siya, tapos sabihin sa'yo, I don't like that guy. Paano yung nun, decision?
Maybe because I had a boyfriend that made tattoo like all over, up to the neck, ganon. Tapos all over the arms, all over the legs. Kaya yung tito ko sinabi, the devil is in him daw. Tapos I couldn't bring him anymore. Kasi naiya ako, I didn't want him to say anything in front of this.
Ay, Satanas!
Yeah, my
Grabe.
tito was like that. Kaya I was like, okay, we're not gonna go there when... Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Ah,
Oh my God, where did you find that photo?
di ba AI
I
yan?
don't see it. Where is it?
No, that was 2024.
Where's the tattoo here?
23? 23.
Oh, there it is, right there. Now I see. Okay, no. That's
22,
that's
2022.
that's getting
oo
close.
nga, Mara,
That's getting
sorry.
close to the
Mababa nga.
unmentioned. Yeah,
Mababa
that's
nga.
getting close to the unmentionables.
No, it's because it's along the
Oo, tama, gets ko na.
line.
Akala ko sa waist eh. Yung pala doon. Oh.
It is.
Tama na, okay? Tama na.
Yeah.
Tama na yung nagpapadala ng Discord, ah. Ako na nagagalit.
Okay. Anyway, we got to get out of here. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us. Lex, what? Saturday morning?
Yes! Happy birthday, Mara!
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Tutulog
Yeah,
ka, no?
Yeah, tapos I have because I have Mandarin classes at class at 10.
Mandarin?
You're doing Mandarin?
Yes.
Sa isang girlfriend ko. Yung isang girlfriend ko.
Halo-halo mo yung Mandarin sa French.
I really, kasi nga, do or do not, there is no try. I made a list of goals and I'm gonna do them. It's not like, kung super busy ako, then I'm gonna cut down. Pero I want to make great use of my time and I want to learn. I'm hungry to learn.
Kumumpo-panda ka doon, ah. Kumumpo-panda ka doon. Do or do not. Sisa. Halo-halo
Mandarin.
ulit.
Sensa. That's it. It means that's it. Sensa.
Sesa wala kalampong?
What? You mix French with Mandarin.
Sesa samano shara.
Racist at all. Happy birthday, Mara. Hope you guys have,
Thank
hope you have a
you.
very great day.
Birthday.
And, Lex, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the weekend for a podcast episode. Everybody else, we appreciate it on Discord.gg/Good Times Radio. And of course, if you're in your cars and all that stuff, Magic 89.9. Have a great one. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Use our energy the right way. Here are your energy efficiency quick tips for the day. Did you know that you can save water in washing dishes by hand by not letting the water run continuously?
Good times. Good times.